In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello boards step by step. Whether you're managing personal tasks, team projects, or planning content, Trello is one of the easiest and most powerful visual project management tools out there. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create boards, customize lists, add cards, and switch between different board views. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account. If you don't already have one, you can sign up for free using your email address. After logging in, you'll land inside your Trello dashboard. Next, go to your Trello Workspace. Your workspace is where all your boards are organized. On the left-hand side, you'll see your available workspaces. Click on the workspace you want to use. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple teams or projects. Once you're inside your workspace, click on Boards. Here, you'll see all the existing boards within that workspace. To open a board, simply click on it. This will take you inside the board where you can see your lists and cards. If you want to create a brand new board, click on the Create button. Trello gives you the option to start from scratch or to make things easier by using a template. If you want a quick start, click on Start with a Template. Templates are great because they already include pre-built lists and workflows for things like project management, marketing, agile workflows, and more. After clicking Start with a Template, choose the template that best fits your needs. Once selected, you'll be prompted to give your board a title. Type in a clear and descriptive name for your board so you can easily recognize it later. Then confirm to create the board. Now you're inside your board. By default, Trello organizes tasks in lists arranged horizontally. If you need more space on your screen, you can click on Collapse List to minimize a list temporarily. This helps you focus on specific sections without distractions. If you want to customize your workflow, you can add another list by clicking on Add Another List. Type in the name of your new list, such as To Do, In Progress, or Completed, and then click Add List. You can create as many lists as you need to match your process. Inside each list, you can add tasks using cards. Click on Add a Card under any list. Type in the name of the task, then press Enter or click Add Card. Cards can be opened to add more details like descriptions, due dates, attachments, checklists, labels, and team members. This makes Trello extremely powerful for collaboration and tracking progress. Another useful feature in Trello is changing the board view. At the top of your board, you'll see different view options. You're not limited to the standard board view. You can switch between table view, calendar view, dashboard view, and timeline view, depending on how you want to visualize your data. For example, if you select Timeline, you'll see your tasks laid out across a timeline, which is perfect for planning projects with deadlines. The calendar view is ideal for tracking due dates, while the dashboard gives you a high-level overview of progress and statistics. Simply click on the view you prefer, and Trello will instantly switch the layout. And that's the basics of how to use Trello boards. You now know how to access your workspace, open and create boards, use templates, add lists, create cards, collapse lists for better visibility, and switch between different views like timeline and calendar. With just these features, you can manage almost any project efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.